Welcome to the Industrial Automation Exchange. In this video, I'm going to take a few minutes to show you how easy it is to find an integrator or a supplier on the exchange. First thing you do is simply hit this Find an Integrator button, which will then bring up this page. And as you can see, it's now displaying all 2,000 plus integrators that have profiles on the exchange. That's a lot of integrators to have to sift through. So we've got these filters for you to be able to drill down even more specifically based on industry, specialty, products, certifications, and even whether or not they are CSIA certified and supported vendors. So let's take a look. Let's say I want to find a system integrator in the industrial machinery segment. Simply hit that button. Now it's giving me even more choices here. Let's say I'll try this molding and extrusion one. And now it's drilled down to bring up 16 different organizations. From here, if that's still too many, or if I want to add other filters, I can simply do that and drill this down even further. Or I can start to dig in right now and take a look at the different organizations that I might partner with. Let's say, for example, I want to know more about data science automation. I click on their profile, and now I can see lots of information. I have a link to their website. I have links to their social media. I can see whether they are CSIA certified. I can take a look at the latest news and updates that they've posted to their profile. I can read a little bit more about the organization, watch some videos, download brochures, any other resources that they've uploaded. For instance, this looks like it's an infographic. I can also take a look at these tabs and look at the branches that the organization has, maybe find one in my area. I can take a look at the contacts, be able to see the face with the name, as well as learn a little bit more about each person. And finally, if this looks interesting to me, I can go ahead and contact the information by hitting that little button. Fill out this little form, send it in, and boom, now these two organizations are connected. If you'd like to learn more about the exchange, visit www.csiexchange.com, and thank you for watching.